Accidents happen, and when they do, the consequences can be devastating. That's where personal injury law comes into play. Personal injury law covers a wide range of incidents where individuals are injured due to someone else's negligence or intentional acts. Our role as personal injury attorneys is to advocate for those who have been injured. We fight to ensure they receive the compensation they deserve. The process begins by gathering evidence to support your claim. This includes medical records, accident reports, and witness statements. Next, your attorney will negotiate with the responsible party's insurance company to reach a fair settlement. If negotiations fail, your case may go to court where a judge and/or a jury will decide the outcome. Ultimately, personal injury law seeks to ensure that victims receive compensation to cover medical bills, lost wages, pain, and suffering, to name a few. If you've been injured in an accident, don't hesitate to seek legal help. Consult with a personal injury attorney to understand your rights and options. Thank you for joining us on this journey through personal injury law. Remember, you don't have to face these challenges alone. We're here to guide you. For a free injury consultation, contact us today. Your well-being is our top priority. Feel free to like and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights and updates. We're here to help, so call our office now.